Hey, what's up guys, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have your model kit from Moderoid, and this is your big DAI-X bomber from, I forgot the term, but this is like a clay anime or clay show. It looks like clay, those characters. Please comment it in the comment section if you know the term, but I forget it, sorry. And this is from the X bomber. Okay, so the X bomber here, the big DAI-X whatsoever, is a combiner robot that comprises of three suits or ships that when they combine together, it will create this kind of red brick looking ugly faced robot. To be honest, I don't like buying this, but I just like the red and white color. I really like red kits, to be honest. So it looks like a brick, but uniquely looking like that. So I just like a unique looking mecha in my collection. So there we can see the DAI-X bomber. So the head is looking like that, and it's part of the transformation. But unfortunately, I will not show you the separated form of this because I don't like displaying it. Of course, who likes displaying kit that is being separated together? So unless you're rich, you can buy another one of these and display it separately, the one with the robot form or the ship form, the three ships form. Okay, so let's take a quick look on the articulation of this kit. So the head can rotate 360 degrees like that, and there it can split. It's very annoying. I don't like splitting. It looks like a monster. Okay, so the head can split like that. It's part of the transformation. The head is really menacing. It looks like it's like there's an X on this part because this is, I think, the propeller for the first ship. The head, by the way, is the first ship. Then the torso here is the second ship, and the last one here, the legs, are the third ship. Okay, so the torso is a block. It's a blocky torso. We cannot do something about that. But there's a mechanism here where you can open it, and there's I don't know what kind of weapon is this, but I clearly remember Deimos having this because Deimos has the blizzard like that, the fire blizzard, ice blizzard, something like that on the chest. Okay, so the hands or the arms can rotate like that, so it's very, to be honest, it's very loose like that. See, it's very loose, so it's kind of annoying. It's not that I call this, it's not that stiff. So you can see, as you can see, I can easily do this on this kit. Okay, so the elbow or the bicep can rotate like that, and the elbow can bend up to this far. It's not double jointed. How boring. So this is not you cannot do the full bicep bend or elbow bend. And by the way, the hands, I removed the hands and changed it into dolly nickel hands, the gray hands here. Okay, so to make it more expressive. Yep, can do so, can do like that, like this. Okay, and I'm intending to use bazooka of Goshogun on this to make it having a weapon, of course, because this is a sad kit, doesn't have any weapon aside from this built-in missile on the left arm and the guns on the right arm, which is very boring. The kit is really boring, no weapons. Okay, and the legs can kick up to this far, can kick back up to that far. Yep, can bend like that, and the knees can bend up to this far. Yep, it's really blocky like that. It's blocky feeling. Yep. And there, it's very stiff. And we got here missiles on the legs here. And for the feet is on a peg, and it can rotate like that, and it cannot do the plantar and extension mode. And the feet is it's both symmetrical. There's this cannon here, and there's this a shaft here. Okay, so at the back we can see small boosters there, and the feet's very nice. It's intended to be booster, but it's like a Vendosa cup. Anyway, let's go with the height. Compare it with the regular master grade Gundam here. So we got here the GPO3 Stamen, and they're up the same height. Okay, they're about the same height, both 18 centimeters in height. Okay, so thanks so much for watching this quick review of the Moderoid Big DAI-X bomber. See you next time. Skimmerman from Kimmerman Studio saying adios, masalamat, paalam sa inyong lahat, auf Wiedersehen, sayonara.